Today I'm going to teach you how to download the Acadsoc teacher app on our Android phone. So take note po, it's for Android phones only. First, you open the browser and then you search Aptoide. So that is a Chinese Play Store app. So dyan po natin makikita yung ating Acadsoc app. So first, you are going to open in the browser, and as usual, i-download lang po natin yung Aptoide app. And once na ma-download na po natin, proceed na po tayo sa pag-install. Since na-download ko na po siya, I'm just going to skip this part kasi na-download ko na po yung mismong app. Okay, it says here, download again. Cancel na lang po yan kapag na-download nyo na. Then, as you can see, I have the app over here. So, open lang po natin siya. So, this is basically Play Store but for Chinese apps. Kasi Chinese, ano po si Acadsoc. So, let's just search the Acadsoc Teacher app. So, yung name po is Acadsoc Teacher. Okay, once na malagay na po natin yung name, ayan po yung pinakaunang app na lalabas. As you can see, lumabas na po siya. Just click on the app. And as usual, download lang po natin siya. And then we will wait until it is up to 100%. I will fast forward na lang video in terms of downloading the app because it took me approximately 7 minutes bago pa ma-reach yung 100%. So, habang nagda-download po tayo, of course, kapag bagong download lang po yung app, especially the Aptoide, need po nating buksan yung mga permissions na kung saan makakapag-install tayo ng mga apps from the browser. So, what's going to happen is, after mag 100%, magkakaroon po ng prompt yung Aptoide, and of course yung phone mo if you are going to allow to install the app. Okay, tapusin na lang po natin hanggang mag 100%. As you can see, it's already downloading and automatic na po siyang nagbukas. So, ayan po yung settings niya. For security reasons, i-enable niyo lang po install unknown apps from Aptoide. And then, wait na lang po tayo na i-allow niya. After that, okay, yan po. Okay, after that, when you allow installing, you click allow from this source. So, after nyo pong ma-allow yung app natin, ang mangyayari po niyan is you are going to be able to install the Acadsoc Teacher app. Okay, na-enable na po natin. And then, balik lang po tayo dun sa app. And of course, as usual, we click install and wait for the app to install. Once na-install na po natin yung app, of course, makikita po ninyo app installed na nga po with a check mark. Usually, we just open the app. Okay, meron po kasing security check sa ginagamit kong phone. Although, you can just directly open the app from there. And then, once you have opened the app, wait lang po natin na mag-open yung dashboard ng ating app. But before we can reach the dashboard, of course, marami pa po tayong mga permissions na kailangang i-allow in order for us to use the app itself. So, wait lang po natin na magbukas. And then, the first thing na lalabas po dyan is yung, of course, allow Acadsoc to access media and other things na necessary para gumana po yung app natin. Just click allow and then browse mo lang kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin. And then, if you are a current teacher, you use the login. The same as the tutor client information, yun din po yung gagamitin mo to log in to the Acadsoc teacher app. So, hindi ko na po ilalagay yung information na kailangan kasi iba-iba naman po yung information. So, basically, that's it. And after that, you can use the app to plot schedules and also cancel. Thank you.